Hi, I'm Seth Fineberg, Managing Editor of AccountingWEB. I'm here at QuickBooks Connect with an exclusive interview with Rania and Laurent from Intuit. They've just announced that they have a cash flow survey that they've been doing for some time now. A lot of great results to come, and one thing related to cash flow, considering our audience are all accountants and bookkeepers, you can both answer this. What would you advise to the bookkeepers, the accountants who are working with small businesses? They've identifying that that they have some cash flow issues. How would you advise that they be a better advisor, I should say? Laurent?
Sure. I mean, we spend a lot of time talking to small businesses and self-employed people, and we hear all the time about the challenges they face with cash flow. So I would tell them, learn about our products, learn about our tools. We just announced the ability for our payroll products to pay employees the same day. So you can actually have your small business customer use our tools and pay their employees on Friday by pushing buttons on Friday and getting their employees paid on Friday. So you can save a few days worth of cash flow by keeping money in your pocket for longer and paying employees at the last minute. I also think a product like T-Sheets, which is also part of the Intuit family, as you know, is great to have very accurate representation of what amount of time people spend at work and be good at keeping track of things very precisely. So that's another great tool for you as a small business owner and as an accountant advising small business owner. And that's a tool you should be using.
Great. A couple of things. The first is help small businesses get ahead of cash flow challenges. Our recent survey results show that 61% of small businesses have faced a cash flow challenge over time. So how can you help your small businesses get ahead of that? And one thing to think about is helping them get access to capital before they need it, before the terms are onerous and difficult for small businesses. So help them think about establishing a business credit score, applying for a line of credit in advance, or just knowing their options. So that's one piece of advice that we think is pretty important to help small businesses. The second one is to help small businesses get out of accepting checks and cash. More than 60% of small businesses today in the US still accept checks. And that can be a very long pay cycle from the time they get paid to the time the money is available in their account. And so anything you can do to help them accept digital payments, whether it's ACH or credit card, can alleviate that quite a bit. One of the things we just announced today for QuickBooks is that we'll be offering small businesses next day funding when they use credit card processing through us starting this month. So small businesses and self-employed will start to get next day funding for credit card and ACH roll out as early as this month. So that also helps alleviate that time to get paid.
Excellent. Rania, Laurent, thank you so much.
Thank you.